For over 35 years, Rick's Motorsport has been your supplier for charging and starting system components for all types of power sport vehicles. We have just about everything you need, from complete stator assemblies, terminal and connector kits, starter motors, starter solenoids, rectifier regulators, CDI boxes, ignition coils, and a wide variety of hard-to-find starting and charging system components. But we take pride in our work here at Rick's, so we're happy with the fact that we can get you a quality replacement part for much less than the factory alternative. Attention to detail is big here at Rick's. Every part we make gets QC'd and bench tested before it even gets boxed up to put on the shelf. Give us a call. No complicated menus, just real people answering the phone that want to help. Rick's Motorsport started off as a small salvage and repair shop. So we understand that motorcycle electronics can sometimes be a bit frustrating. That's why we have a very knowledgeable tech department on hand to answer any questions you might have. Here at Rick's, we've seen just about every problem that can come up, so chances are we can help you out. Our in-house R&D department is always hard at work coming up with new products. And if you've got an older bike that you're having problems with or got questions about, remember, we speak vintage. Hopefully this video helps you understand what we do here and how we can help you. Thanks for watching.